Today, we're going to be showing you how to install a Müller MS9 HFB on an excavator.
Before anything is connected or mounted, complete a full walk-around of the hammer. Make sure it's safely supported, check the key connection points, verify the gearbox oil level, and look for anything damaged, worn, loose, or out of place. If something doesn't look right, stop the installation until it has been corrected. Next, verify that the excavator is compatible with the selected MS HFB model. Confirm the machine weight, auxiliary hydraulic flow and pressure, case drain line, mounting bracket dimensions, and pin sizes are all correct before moving forward. Once compatibility is confirmed, place the hammer on firm, level ground and position the excavator directly in front of the attachment. Lower the stick into alignment so the hydraulic connections can be made safely. Clean all hydraulic fittings before connection. Connect the 1-inch JIC A and B pressure lines to the excavator's bidirectional auxiliary hydraulic circuit at the end of the stick, or alternatively, to the bucket curl cylinder A and B pipes at the top of the boom connection. Then connect the 3/4-inch JIC case drain line to the appropriate case drain location. Route all hoses carefully to prevent twisting, rubbing, or pinch points during operation. For the mechanical installation, position the excavator arm over the adjustable mounting bracket and lower it into place. Align the pinhole, adjust the mounting ears if needed so they sit snugly around the stick end. Then reinstall the bucket pin and secure it with the adjustable locking wedge plate. After the hammer is mounted, verify that the attachment can move freely through the full working range without hose interference or restricted movement. Next, configure the excavator's auxiliary hydraulic settings according to Muller specifications. Verify proper bidirectional flow, pressure settings, return flow, and case drain flow, then check every connection for leaks. For functional testing, start the excavator and allow the hydraulic oil to reach operating temperature. Test the clamp open and close functions, confirm the clamp fully closes before vibration is activated, and briefly engage vibration to verify proper operation. Before placing the hammer into service, re-inspect the hoses, fittings, lifting points, and mounting hardware. Confirm all safety retainers and devices are installed. Make sure all personnel are clear of the work area and the MS9 is ready for pile driving or extraction.